Now solve e to the power negative x minus x equals 0. Define the function. Substituting 0 gives positive 1. Now substitute 1. The result is negative. The sign changed from positive to negative. Choose 0 and 1 as initial approximations. Apply the secant method formula. The second approximation is 0.6127. The third approximation is 0.5638. The fourth approximation is 0.5672. The fifth approximation is 0.5671. Compare the last two approximations. The difference is extremely small. The values are no longer changing significantly. This tells us to stop iterating. The approximate root is 0.5671.